Hey guys, Cameron at 816 Diesel coming at you today for this cold start walk around video on my 2000 Ford F350. It's a 1-ton 4x4 crew cab long bed dually 7.3 Powerstroke Diesel. This is a very nice truck. It's got an interesting story with it, so let's just start on the inside here. You see a couple little rips and tears here. Couple small ones here that can all be fixed. If it bothers you, if it drives you nuts, it's not a big deal. We can fix it pretty reasonably. So on the miles, we've got 216,361. As you can see, the truck is cold. Fire's right up, no problem. Let's see here, doesn't do anything weird or funny on startup either. Got a pile doubled in with a backup camera, Bluetooth, iPod, all that good stuff, ice cold AC. Truck does have a chip from Chris Vanderford. Now this truck is extremely customized. It is a 7.3 Powerstroke, but there's nothing stock about this truck. We usually don't have a lot like this, but this one's got a pretty good pedigree on it. So I'm going to do my best to cover some of those things today. But if you want specific details, or if I mess something up, don't crucify me. I'm just trying to relay this on the fly. Anything specific, get in touch with me directly and we'll go over that. It does have the overhead console. It's tinted out. It has a Edge CTS. I just have it removed so people don't steal it or try to steal it in the middle of the night. But EGT probes hooked up to the Edge color touchscreen. So with this truck, it's got a full engine rebuild done right around 200,000 miles, I believe, within a year or two. I got all the paperwork for it. 250cc injectors, which is a large injector. Adrenaline HPOP, BD diesel turbo, which is almost the same as the KC38R. It's an upgraded GT38R. 5-inch exhaust and the dual stacks on the bed. Cold air intake. Built transmission. Upgraded HPOP, upgraded. All it really needs to be perfect if you're building a full-on race truck is a full exhaust, stainless steel downpipes, and maybe a fuel system like a fast lift pump, something like that. But most of the stuff is done. It's got paperwork for it all. The transmission's also been previously upgraded with a valve body and a torque converter. So it's got a shift kit in it. This truck is hardcore. It rips it and gets it in tune number 6 on the thing down there. The other tunes are pretty basic. You got high idle, tow tune, 60 and an 80. That 140 race though snaps this truck back. It's got an aftermarket keyless entry alarm system that kind of is on the fritz. It works sometimes it doesn't. It does have factory keyless entry though, so you've also got that as a fail-proof. It's a 6-seater. It's got the dual jump-up seat in the middle, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, manual locking hubs for the 4-wheel drive. 4-wheel drive works tight. It's got a brand new drive shaft, fully rebuilt, new carrier bearing, U-joints, everything. Balanced out by North Manufacturing here in Kansas City. And like I said, it does have a backup camera too. We'll just kick that on. Super clear picture. It's got the lines to keep you in check. I'm going to pop the hood and we're going to start there. It's a tall truck, so bear with me here. AFE cold air intake. Like I said, it's got a BD turbo. Adrenaline HPOP. Now it does have big injectors and it's built up truck, so it has a little bit of blow by. It's not pressurized, it doesn't do anything funny, but there's a little bit there. But like I said, I got paperwork on the full rebuild. Newer set of batteries, new starter as well. New power steering pump, new low pressure gasket, new 35s. It's got a Fab 4 replacement bumper that's been painted white. Harley Davidson headlights, smoked 5 high LEDs, smoked bed lights as well. We're going to start with the tire here. We've got a Corsair MTX LT 315/75/16, which is a 35-inch tire. We are on a 6-inch lift. Pro Comp lift, the ladder bars. Back seat's in good shape, a little dirty. Sorry guys, there's a trash truck right behind me here making a bunch of noise. Like I said, we got 5-inch exhaust on the stacks here. This truck is not rusty at all, it's super clean. No rust on the cab corners, rockers, any of that. In the bed it's got 5th wheel rails with a gooseneck hitch. These tail lights are not 100% coming with this truck unless the price is right. They're custom retrofit Recon tail lights out of a 2015 Super Duty. There's your backup cam. Rear bumper's got a little bend on that side. Not terrible, but a little bit. And there's a little dent in the tailgate here. Pretty clean all around though. Not a lot of bad to show you. Cab corner's pretty solid on this side too. A little bit of dirt on there, that's all. Leather's in pretty good shape. It's not a new truck. I mean, it's almost 20 years old, so not perfect, but pretty good shape. Also has LED interior lights. It's that dual 5-inch stacks. They're in there right. It's not a hack job. They've been professionally installed and they are hardcore. Guys, I'm sure I'm missing some stuff. Like I said, this truck's highly modified. I had paperwork for 90% of what I went over with you. But that's it. She's not gonna be around long. Auto check shows it with no accidents recorded, but like I said in the ad, it does have a salvage title. Title's been rebuilt. It's ready to register. There's no issues with it, but it has been salvaged at some point. I know the previous owner of this truck, and the word on it is that it got into something in a parking lot and the guy took the salvage check and did the motor build with it. Like I said, I got bits and pieces of the story, not all of it. Run your Carfax, do your homework, look at the paperwork I provide in the ad. If you have any questions, call the shop directly, 816-298-7030. That'll get you right to our landline. Website's the best place, 816diesel.com. It has all the information on there, VIN number, all the good stuff you're going to need. Also my contact info, my cell, 913-735-3748. That's my cell phone. Call me, text me with any questions. We're here 7 days a week. I do have the title in hand, ready to go. Again, it is salvaged. And if you want to do a Carfax, hop on the website, 816diesel.com, grab the VIN. Let me know what I can do to help, guys. Appreciate your time. Have a good one.